Welcome to the maths world. Now today onwards, next 2-3 episodes, we are going to learn how to find out the square root of any number of digits. Now in the today's episode, we will see only the rules behind or finding the square root of any digit. Here, what we have to do first, the given numbers should be arranged in two digit groups from right to left, that is from our right to our left. Here you see the second rule where the square root contains number of digits equal to the number of groups. Square root contains number of digits equal to the number of groups. How much groups develops, uh, that much digits will be there in the square root. If square root contains, see again, if square root contains n digit, conversely, the square should contain 2n digits when n is even, or 2n minus 1 digits when n is odd. In the reverse way, we can say that the square root will contain n by 2. Suppose we have 4 digit number, then 4 divided by 2, that is 2. That is, square root will contain 2 digits when n is even. And if we have 5 digit number, that is odd, then what we are going to do? 5 plus 1, that is 2. That is 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 3 digits will be in the square root when n is odd. In cases of pure decimals, the number of digits in the square is always double than the number of digits of the square root. See again, in cases of pure decimals, the number of digits in the square is always double that in the square root. Now see the next rule. Squares of first 9 numbers, natural numbers, are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81. Just look on to these numbers, then we will find some rules. Exact square cannot end in 2, 3, 7, 8. Just see the numbers. What we have seen, exact square cannot end in 2, 3, 7, 8. Here, if the square is ending in 1, the last digit of square root will be 1 or 9. See the rule. Square ending in 1, the last digit of square root will be 1 or 9. If the square ends in 4, the square root ends in 2 or 8. Square ends in 5 or 0 with the last digit. The square root ends with 5 or 0 respectively. The square ending with 6, the square root ends with 4 or 6. Like that, square ending with 9, the square root ends with 3 or 7. All of these rules you have to be by-hearted to solve this, to learn the square root of any number of digits, which we are going to see in the next episodes. We will see one by one example, but while solving the example, You just keep all these rules writing on the notebook in front of you. So we will get very easier to understand the method while calculating the square root. We both, yourself and myself, will keep the rules in front of us while solving actual examples. For this, you subscribe, share this channel. Thanks a lot.